working up a bit of pace there. That's hit Ganguly. He's in trouble here. He's down on the ground. Now, did that hit him straight on the stomach? On his hand, one doesn't know. Probably even the hip bone. There's no doubt about the fact that he's down and out for the count. That was a quick ball from Shoaib Akhtar.
Yes, Shoaib put in a little bit extra there. Bent his back and it just took off from just short of good length. A real rib roaster that. There's not a lot Ganguly could do. He was looking to play a defensive shot, but it was just a little too quick for the left-hander. He's in pain definitely. Walking off slowly. That's a wise thing to do. Maybe go for an X-ray or even ice that area to relieve some pain.
So Virender Sehwag is the new man who comes out. He's playing his first one-day international. He's off the mark straight away. He's got a reputation of being a good striker of the ball, Sehwag. Wrapped on the pads, up goes the finger. This is where he's so dangerous. He's been brought back just for that, to give Pakistan a breakthrough. And the new man, Sehwag, might just have expected a Yorker, but it was too quick for him.
Yes, I think that went in the air a little bit, and he obviously was trying to whip it away through the onside. Let's see if we can pick this up. Just watch the line of the ball. Starts just outside and starts to slant in there. Yes, and that's out. The ball swung in, that's why it beat the bat. That was a good delivery, bowled at high pace as well, and up goes the finger of the umpire. That's always bad news, and so Sehwag is out for one, and India 150 for 6.